Hi friends, this is Amulya Vashaja. Today I am going to explain two-point perspective drawing. In two-point perspective drawing, we will view the corners of the object by turning the box. First you need to understand how to see object in perspective and it is very easy to draw. In two-point perspective, you are able to find corner angle of the object and you can draw accurate. Below origin you can see top of the object. Above origin you can see bottom of the object. At the origin you are able to see corners of the object. Now have a look at every angle of the cube. In the following drawing, I am going to explain step by step in two-point perspective drawing. Here I am starting with simple boxes. In two-point perspective, it has two vanishing points at one horizon. First, you need to draw a vertical line. It indicates corner of the object. Then you need to construct perspective lines from both vanishing points. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it.